Where's your safety?
Oops, that's not it.
Eject.
Welcome to RevRender Garage.
Unleash!
Hey there, welcome back to RevRender Garage. I am Sean, as always. Today we are on a special field trip treat for all of you. We're going to show you how we unwind and relax from all of the work, chaos, clutter, and the shop life. This is where we get to unwind. This is where we get to have fun, and we're going to show all of it to you. Someone's getting their Annie Oakley on already. That's right, we're going to be shooting a few guns. Someone driving close and fast. We're gonna take you up to the nub, folks. Surron E-bikes, Turbo Polaris RZRs, dirt bike, whatever you want. We're riding it all here today. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Before heading out, we had a game plan of everything we were going to film today. Unfortunately, when we got there, our excitement caused amnesia and we forgot everything and just had a good time. So forgive me while I narrate along and just let you know what's going on. Fly around and take a look at this beautiful property. Now let's take you on a ride around the 250 acres of paradise. You'll have to excuse the closed captioning. The Polaris RZR was a little too loud and was overriding our mics. So just follow along and we'll show you all the property. And obviously we're not going to be able to show you every square foot of it because it is just so vast. But enjoy. time for a little fun with some guns.
So I'm just gonna pop off a couple rounds, see how much kick she gives me. See if you guys want to maybe shoot a couple shots off of it. Little.
That's good. Where's your safety?
Oops, that's not it.
Eject.
Not that one.
You didn't get that on camera, did you?
Oh, we can edit it out.
Oh, yeah, right. Wink, wink.
Yeah.
Gun.
Yeah.
You don't get hit by that. You want to set up again, or?
No, I'll just shoot.
Let me set that target up again. You got rounds in there? Safety on?
Safety's on. Nothing in the chamber.
Yeah, definitely don't want to get hit by that.
Yep. That's crazy.
Yeah. Welcome to RevRender Garage.
It's ready to shoot.
Oh, okay.
Put the safety back on.
Safety's on.
Yeah. You got 3 more to go.
Try this out. So now he can do it because he'll be ejecting a shell.
Correct, yeah.
Yours will look badass. Welcome to RevRender Garage.
Hey.
Welcome to RevRender Garage.
Kick it out.
Kick it out.
Hit this. Go down.
Okay.
My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Got it? Hits the target, you hold it. Bing.
Yep.
Smoke coming out. We're about 75 yards here.
We then moved on and just had some fun enjoying some of the random amenities.
Jesus.
Oh!
Good. 14. Game.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, my own damn game.
Welcome to RevRender Garage.
Yeah. There you go. Nice. Yeah. Oh, you got to one up him. Oh man.
Should have thought of everything I know.
That's right.
So you alternate throws then? Yeah, so the alternate.
Yeah.
1 for 1.
Yeah, one for one. Rejected. Nice.
1. Oh, what do you count that?
I know it's not tight. I would call that red.
Okay, so that's 3, 1, 4. That's 4.
It's not like we got on video or anything. So I won't tell anybody. I won't tell anybody.
I'm gonna let it go.
So it's the 15. So it's 1, 2, 3.
When you get to the center,
3.
and then the first ring.
First and second rings, the black and the white ring is 1. The second black and the second white is 2.
And even black, this one's either 2 or 1.
That's 2. Whoa. 2. Bust. Oh.
Start on the outside. Oh, is that a 1?
Yeah.
Chillin'. You gotta get more speed. More speed. You weren't even off the ground that one.
Just a good old boys.
All right.
We are on what's called the nub, folks. This is the highest point of his property. And as you can see, look at these views. I know it's just more
beautiful
mountains there, but boy, behind us here too, you can see the whole mountain line.
And I guess in the summertime when these clouds are gone, just that much more beautiful.
Looks like they've got a little teepee going too. Crazy.
Literally, the possibilities out here are endless.
Dude, you could put such a killer track.
I mean, we're
on
gonna
this
show
thing.
you. Look at this, dude.
Like Don's kids, how lucky have they been? Alex is still at home, so he's been here the whole time. Jeremiah's a little bit older, but
God, this is how I want to set my kids up.
hell yeah. All right, Royce, we'll see you in 5 hours when you get back with the Polaris.
Literally.
2 summers ago for his 50th birthday party, and it was like 90 degrees. We were just ripping in these things for hours. Then we took the e-bikes out and sang karaoke on the deck and all kinds of good shizzy.
Hell yeah.
All right, let's blaze. All right, folks, as you can see, we're running out of light, so we're gonna call it a day here. I'm wiped. Nothing like a good hamburger over an open fire, spending time with friends, and just having a killer time all the way around. So with that, I'm going to say this is another episode of RevRender Garage, and until next time, RevRender out.